Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all fine. Today we are going to see Ampere Magnus Pro 1 month review. I am very happy to do this review because it is good for our environment. Next generation can live safer without pollution. If you charge this vehicle 0 to 100, it takes 3.5 hours to 4 hours. It will come around 80 kilometer. This vehicle comes with wireless remote key. The remote key has four buttons. One is lock and another one is unlock and third one is vehicle finder and fourth one is wireless remote start. I will tell you one by one how to do that. Now that wireless the power symbol was there, no, just double press the power symbol, the vehicle will start automatically. See that vehicle light automatically close on the odometer, and then after that you just press that start button and then just accelerate. Once you accelerate, the vehicle wheel will rotate. Okay, you will not get a noise because this is an electric vehicle. You can use the key to start the vehicle. After starting the vehicle, that light glows. Okay, first top of that you will get the kilometer per hour, the speed which will show, and second one is Vodo. Okay, currently I was run around 641 kilometers, and then third option low speed and high speed. Okay, if it is showing the number one, it's in that low speed, and then it's in that high speed, it will show the number two on the middle one. See, number one and number two showing on the screen now. 2 means high speed, 1 means low speed, and below on that left hand side, L is a low battery level and H is high battery level. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 points we will get it on that battery levels. You can drive up to 60 kilometers per hour in that full charge. If you have that 100% battery, it will go around 60 kilometers per hour kilometer. And then if one point drains also, you will get a maximum speed of 55. Now I show you how to open the seat cover. Just switch off the key, and after that just turn back side, little turn back side. You will get a tick sound, the seat get opens. After that you just make sure that MCB is on or off while removing the battery. I'm switching off the MCB, and then if I'm removing the battery, make sure and switch off that MCB. In electrical vehicle segment, there are so many companies is offering with the detachable battery. The detachable battery once comes atop of that, you will get lesser of space in this. But in this vehicle, you can keep the full size helmet in this place, and then you can close the seat cover without any disturbance. Why? Because this battery fixes slider wise, not in the vertical type. Okay, I will show you how to remove the battery. To remove the battery, you will get a small key. Just put the key and then remove that top cover, battery cover. After that, you can see the battery inside the box. Okay, make sure while removing the battery, make sure the MCB off. If in the MCB on, the light glows. If the MCB off, light turns off. Okay, now I will show you how to remove the battery. While removing the battery, you have to unscrew these screws. There are two screws, both the sides having two screws. Okay, you have to remove both the screws. After that only we can able to remove the battery. See, we removed the screws now. After removing it, the top of that you will get one clamp. Okay, and then after removing the clamp, and then you will feel one knob. Just pull that wire outside. That's it. That battery connected wire has been removed, and then just pull up, and then take it. That's it. This battery made with the lithium ion battery. Okay, 1.8 kilowatt, 60 volt, 30 Ah. To charge 0 to 100, okay, it's around 3.5 to 4 hours using 10 amps charger. There are two sockets. One is for vehicle battery connector, and this is a two pin to connect the vehicle battery in this. And another one, this is a charger pin. Okay, this is three pin socket. Okay. Now I will show you how to fix the battery again to the vehicle. Just keeping the vehicle, it's very easier if you practice to use it. Okay, you can easily fix it. I will tell you how to do that. Just keep the battery on the box. Okay, after that, just slide down, keep that battery at back side, just push inside. It will go easily without any disturbance. See, that's it. After that, just take the cable and then fix it on that socket. After fixing the socket, okay, you have to take the clamp, okay, top of that, you have to re-screw it, fixing it properly. This is the clamp, okay, you have to fix it on the battery. This clamp, this L-shape clamp, no, this fixes on the battery top wire. Okay, it will make sure the battery charger will not remove it while on the driving. Please do the screwing in both the sides and then close the top cover. Switch on the MCB. Now I will show you the 360 view of the vehicle. If you're seeing this vehicle, no one can find easily. It's a electric bike. Front look like petrol bike already available in the market. If you know the petrol bike name, please update in comments. While moving around, you can find electric mentioned on the front and then Magnus Pro mentioned on the back side under the seat. Magnus Pro and then hub motor. The vehicle comes with 1200 watts BLDC hub motor. This hub motor waterproof. Nothing to worry driving in the rain. This vehicle comes with warranty of 3 years or 20,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier, plus motor, controller, battery, charger, AC, DC to DC converter, and then 2 plus years additional warranty. I have already taken it. Total 5 years of warranty. Don't confuse to take the electric vehicle or petrol vehicle. Please go with the petrol vehicle. You can save up to 3000 rupees per month. One thing you have to consider buying an electric vehicle, you have to ask the vehicle maximum speed and then the battery capacity and then battery type. Battery type should be lithium ion, does not the lead acid battery. Lead acid battery comes around 1 year or 1.5 year if it slow down your mileage, but lithium ion not like that. It will come 5 years around 1 lakh plus kilometers. Another plus to this vehicle, it's all LED lights. Okay, see the LED lights, in the night it's very clear, and then you can see the object clearly in the nights. See the front DRL lights also LED, they are put, and then see the side indicators. It's a side indicators, it's not LED, and the normal one. It's looks good, sounds good, and then front horn also good. Comes to the rear deer light, danger light is not LED one. This is looks like LED, but it's a normal light. I understand you all thinking I just saying only the advantages of the vehicles. If you ask there is a disadvantages in this vehicle, yes, this vehicle has three major disadvantages. I will tell you one by one now. The major disadvantages is first one, the suspension. If you're driving the vehicle more than 10 kilometers, you will feel like back pain. Okay. First disadvantages of the vehicle is this suspension, and second one, the mirror. They just molded with the handlebar, done the welding, fixed both the side mirrors. The side mirrors, one my what I have keeping in my finger, no, that got broken, and then I refixed. I have showed to them. They are again welded it, given back to me. This is the second major advantage. And third one, handle. If you have that finger with the lengther finger, you can easily put the brake lever. If you have small fingers, definitely the braking lever size it will be big. Okay, if you fix to put the brake, you feel the difficult. And then last but not least, everything is in this court. And then that another major advantage in this vehicle, having combi braking system. The combi braking system is one good advantage of the vehicle. And then this one, side stand quality, and then sari guard, everything comes inbuilt with this vehicle. What I spent with this vehicle separately, I made 1500 paid 1500 rupees for the scratch card. The scratch card I paid 1500. It depends on the place and then by agency where you purchasing the vehicle.
இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருச்சுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இந்த வீடியோ உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். லைக்கு கமெண்ட்டு கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணிவிடுங்க. உங்களுக்காக கண்டிப்பாக என்னால் முடிஞ்ச வரலும் பெஸ்ட் வீடியோஸை கூடிய சீக்கிரம் போடுறேன்.